cappuccino caramello. Do you remember how to say yours?
Ice latte.
Oh my Jesus Christ.
Merry Christmas!
Hi, we're gonna go sit on the patio because I don't know why I'm inside. Okay, sorry if the hot tub is aggressively loud. Actually, I do remember why we were inside, and it was because of that. But, hello, good morning. Welcome to Vlogmas. What time is it? I think it's like 9 a.m. Central Time right now, so it's like 7 a.m. for us. But fortunately, we're early risers, so this is cool. I have done the most classic my hair is way past the point of dirty. It's just disgusting and shouldn't probably be in public, but I am, which is also my tagline of my personality. There's a town, which I will later say, that we're gonna go. Huh? I was screaming, but I don't listen to him. There's a town that we're gonna go into. Hello.
Hey, how are you guys? I'm heading to Bucharest this morning.
Why are you taking my coffee?
I thought we were... No?
There's a whole pot of coffee.
Oh, okay.
This man came over with a cup of ice, trying to steal my coffee, even though I got him a milk and I told him to put some espresso in it from the espresso maker. Truly, I don't think his brain is functioning. It's fine. But yeah, we're gonna go into town today. It's supposed to be more like old Puerto Vallarta, from my understanding, from what I've been told. So I don't know. I'm excited. I'm not really sure what we're gonna do today, but we're kind of going. We're just gonna see where the world takes us. See? Hola,
I'm so tired.
Hello, we're back at the resort. Hi. We're here at one of the restaurants. We're getting a second lunch, but this is like a view that I'm not will accept. You know what I mean? I'm gonna get a watermelon arugula and feta salad, a chickpea sandwich, and a roll of sushi. Because when in Rome, you know. I told him we would just share these, but I was lying. This is all
for you.
I like your scarf.
Oh, this old thing?
We got some little tassel palms for our Christmas tree while we were in town. We're now headed back to our room, and then we're gonna go to the rooftop pool to live my lounge nap life. Well, folks, I don't know what time it is. I don't know what day it is. I don't know where I am, but I'm content. And now my friends is resort living. I am like, I can't remember if I've spoken about this. I feel like I have, probably, because I typically feel a need to preface everything, you know, as she does. But, yeah, it's been a long time, years, many years, since I've stayed in a resort. But I was telling Ira, I was like, I'm kind of craving it, because I love, like, traveling and actually experiencing, like, cultures and other places. And I know I've spoken about, like, my perfect trip is, like, most of the time in, like, an actual city or place, and then, or not even a city, but just, like, a different place, living like actual life and seeing how the people live, and not to be like the Little Mermaid, but same, you know. And then the other half of the time, just like relaxing right at the end is so nice. But I was telling Ira, I was like, I just like for my birthday was like, I just want to be warm and not have to use my brain at all. I was laughing so hard because I mean, not really laughing, but now I'm laughing is what I'm saying in retrospect. But now that everything's fine, I was laughing. But the taxi driver, he like dropped us off. And he was like, okay, so this, because we were like, is there just, I told him, I was like, which also, my Spanish is so bad. So I was like, where would you go I was like, I'm like, we're looking for cool. Like, I was like, where would you go for somewhere cool? And he was like, this is where like the tourists go and it's fine. He was like, I would stay in this area though. Like there's good food and like there's drinks and you can sit by the beach and blah, blah, blah. He's like, there's lots of like flea markets and like things like that. He's like, but I would stay over here because the mafia, and he's speaking in Spanish this entire time, but he said the mafia. And I was like, so when you say the mafia, do you mean like in Spanish, this means like gangs? Because like, you know, I'm not saying I want to be around that, but like, that's different than the mafia. I, in the truest Lauren fashion, get so lazy at resorts because I'm like, I don't know anybody, or like vacation at all because I'm like, I don't know anyone here. I can look like trash. Who cares? So I tried a little. I got a little cappuccino caramello. Do you remember how to say yours?
Ice latte.
Oh my Jesus. The tone. The volume. From Zicoco Cafe. Now we're sitting in this little thing with a beautiful background.
I don't wanna feel things, 'cause it feels things way too hard. Got me on the ceiling, but the feels ain't worth the fall.
It's my birthday.
La la, it's better than I know. I don't wanna feel things, 'cause it feels things way too hard. Run your fingers through my hair. No, I get a little scared, 'cause you know you're my type. I used to play it kinda cool. Now I don't know what to do when you with the other guys.
Ira's sad because he sucks at games. He's
I'm
lost.
down 2-1.
You've lost 4 times today. I have won. I mean, I've won 4 times. You have lost 4 times. You've won
Playing this
once.
game, it's all about truth versus lying, and it's carried over to now.
I'm really good at reading people. What can I say? I'm smarter than you are. Admit it.
She is. That's why she's up 2-1.
It's 4-1, but sure. Even if it is 2-1, I'm still beating you.
You are. You're
I
killing me.
won twice by the pool. I won twice right now, and you won one silly little time in between.
That's true.
In other news, look at this beautiful view. It was better when there was light, but the beach is right there.
Hey, so how many games did she have to abort, though? That's what she's not telling you.
Hello, vlog. Ira and I are at the French restaurant.
It's called Puff Pastry.
Très chic.
Puff Pastry.
I got a salad. It's the only thing I can eat, but the waiter was very nice and told me he would make me a pasta. Sorry, Ira needs to put his vlogging robe on before we can.
It's my lab coat for vlogging. It's where I come up with the best vlogs.
With the best science possible. You do all the best experiments.
I truly do.
Well,
A and B testing.
anyways, I think that you've noticed by now, I have combined all of these vlogs into, oh no, my memory card is running low. I'm gonna have to get up. Ugh.
Hater.
Well, I think you noticed I've combined all the vlogs into one because all we've done is eat, lay around, and drink. And that's exactly what I wanted for my birthday. So it's been lovely, but it is the last day unfortunately, but I also am like, I had the perfect amount of rest. If I had more rest, I'd start getting antsy. Like, we would need to go into like towns and stuff, which would have been cool, but
Yeah.
priority was rest and relaxation. Right?
It's been a long 2022.
Let's go back.
That's what tests say.
Fingers through my hair, no, I get a little scared, cause you know you're my type.
Did you go to sleep all by yourself? Yeah. Hi, little doggy. Are you so excited we're back? Oh, hello. Oh, hello. Yeah.
Hi, sleepy dog.
We're back though. I know, yes. It is so exciting. Holy cow.
Yeah.
Holy cow.
So did you get even fluffier in 4 days?
Oh, hi. Oh, hi. Oh, hi.
I know.
We did it. We're back. Yes.